Hello everyone, welcome back my dear 7th class students to your English 1 language chapter 5 articles a, and the. In the previous video I taught you about the articles a and an, isn't it, and the uses of a and an, how to use it. So I hope you are remembering all the rules of using a and an, how to use a or an. So today in this video we'll go for the grammar part, okay? So here you can see in this chapter 5 articles a and the. Number A, pick out nouns from the following list. Separate them into countable and uncountable nouns and write them in the appropriate box. Okay, here nouns are given. From these nouns we have to pick countable and uncountable nouns. Here countable noun column is there and uncountable noun column is here. So we have to, in countable nouns we have to use those words which way where a is going to lie and here an. Okay, you know that very well how to use a and an. Okay, so here uncountable nouns. Okay, now we say go for here. First one is your movie. Movie is countable, so we can write here in the a part. Here countable a or n. Countable divided into two parts, here a or n. Okay, so you will write in the a part, a movie. Okay, then arm. Arm is a countable, so you will write an arm. Okay, an arm you will write here. This is a movie. Okay, then attendant, an attendant. Okay, because here comes your what? A vowel. Okay, then inch. Inch is also countable. You will write an inch. Year. Okay, you see here, year is what? It is a consonant. Y is consonant. The rule you follow. Okay, remember the rule. Y is a consonant, but when we pronounce it, it is coming year. Year sound coming, isn't it? Year. So it is a countable now. So we'll write an year. Okay. Now afternoon. Okay, it is uncountable. We'll write here uncountable. Okay. Then advice. It is uncountable. Write in the uncountable place. Envelope. It is a countable. Okay. Write in the. It is an envelope. Okay. Stage. Countable. Write under a stage. You write a stage. Mystery. Okay, it's countable. So a mystery. New, uncountable, write in the uncountable part here. Then busy, uncountable, write in the uncountable column. Ancient, uncountable, write here uncountable. Then laugher, uncountable, in the uncountable part you write. Face, countable, so a face. Voice, uncountable. Then roof, countable, a roof. Then oxygen, uncountable. Impression, uncountable. Gossip, uncountable. Spike, countable, a spike you will write. Across, uncountable. Water, uncountable. Weapon, countable, a weapon you will write. Okay, then cab, countable, a cab. Hotel, countable, a hotel. Eye, countable, an eye. Finest, uncountable. Impossible, uncountable. Area, countable, so you will write an area. Bravery, uncountable. Okay, brake you can write, yes, it is a countable, so a brake. Truck, countable, a truck. Shelter, okay, it is countable, a shelter. Handle, you can write countable because we say also cycle handle, isn't it? So that can be also countable. Okay, you can write a handle. Long, it is uncountable. Crime, it is countable, a crime. Paper, uncountable. Furniture, uncountable. Impatience, uncountable. Okay, my dear students, so got this list of nouns here. Okay, let us go to the B part. Fill in the blanks with a or an where necessary. Where it is necessarily you have to use, rest you can put the cross mark. First one, this is an easy sum. Okay, easy is vowel, so an easy sum. Dash milk sells at 20 rupees dash liter. Milk is uncountable, so cross it. Milk sells at 20 rupees a liter. Okay, then a swan is swimming slowly and gracefully. Sri Lanka is an island. She is a cashier in a supermarket. My brother wants to become an engineer. Then dash bananas are sold at 20 rupees dash dozen. Here bananas plural, so cross it. Bananas are sold at 20 rupees a dozen. We sat around dash oval shaped table, an oval shaped table. Dash European is not dash American. Here European. E is a vowel, but as I told you in the rule, even though it is what? A vowel letter, but sounds like consonant. So it comes here A European. Is not an American. We had dash bread and butter for dash breakfast. Bread, butter both are uncountable, so both you have to put cross. How many days are there in a week? Dash ant is dash insect. An ant is an insect. She is dash actress. She is an actress. My uncle lives in dash old house. My uncle lives in an old house. Dash horse runs very fast. A horse runs very fast. So okay my dear students, so B part is also over. Let us go to the next grammar part. Number C. Okay, so tick the right option in the following sentences. Okay, see here options are given here, only you have to just put a tick mark. Okay, she did not like my going to her and gave me dash help, little help. Okay, may I borrow dash milk please, little milk, because this little, much, some, what we are using with the uncountable nouns. Okay, there isn't dash money in the box, much money in the box. I listened to dash fine music in the afternoon, some fine music in the afternoon. The butcher gave me dash fine piece of mutton, some fine piece of mutton. There isn't even dash ounce of milk in the bottle, an ounce of milk in the bottle. Don't you buy dash jar of honey last week? A jar of honey, because you see honey is uncountable but jar is countable, so you use a jar of honey. We wasted dash lot of time waiting for the bus, a lot of time waiting for the bus. The patient has shown dash lot of progress since last week. The patient has shown a lot of progress since last week. He has gone to Mumbai on dash urgent piece of work. He has gone to Mumbai on an urgent piece of work. Okay my dear students, so in this chapter article A, B and C grammar portions are completed. Okay, later in my next video we'll go for the article the and the rest of the grammar portions. Till now you just whatever you have read here, gone through this video, please note it down in your notebook. A, B and C grammar part of your chapter 5 articles. Okay, meet you in the next video my dear students.